but now with more snow in our forecast, preparedness is essential. And here to help us assemble a winter car kit is the founder of Preparednessshare.com, FEMA certified and meteorologist, and my co-host,
Thank you,
Cheryl Nelson.
Thank you for the warm welcome.
And I'm peacocking right now.
This is great, though. You're actually wearing something that you should wear if you are ever stuck and you have to get outside of your car.
Really?
Yeah, the reflective vest.
Okay.
It's so important to keep one of these in your car at all times, especially if you have to be out and about at night. You don't want anybody sliding into you or hitting you. Got to be safe.
Wow. Okay, what else do we need?
All right, so warmth is essential. And I know you don't have these. These are snow boots.
Wow.
Yes.
Snow boots.
I know. Aren't they nice? They're super
actually
warm.
pretty cute. Let's put them this way.
Thank
so
you.
On the right side. Okay.
Yeah, so you can get those. They'll keep your feet warm up to -25. They're, I think, size 7.
Oh, I can do that.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Squeeze your feet in there. A warm blanket. Always keep this in your car. Hats in your car. And I say this, too, because if you're stranded and you run out of gas, how are you going to stay warm?
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Have that stuff. Trust me, people on I-95, I'm sure, wish they
had this in their car. Food, right?
Windshield washer fluid is a must. Do you have an extra container in your car?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I have it.
Yeah, I don't believe you.
I have an extra one at home.
If you're driving in snow, I've had this happen on the interstate before, and all the trucks are throwing the stuff at you. You have to keep cleaning your windshield. What happens when you run out?
You go to the gas station and get more.
What if there's no gas station nearby?
You call AAA.
Okay. Have one of these. Also, you want to make sure you have some of the rock salt in your car. Always good to have that just in case.
So, but we can put it in a smaller container.
Oh, you can do whatever you want. Kitty litter is good. Non-clumping kitty litter.
I don't have cats.
It's going to be for traction. If you get stuck, put it by your tires. Help you get out. Gloves, always a good thing to have, some nice sturdy warm gloves. How about the snow brush and ice scraper? Do you have one of these in your car?
My mother-in-law just bought me one for Christmas.
Perfect. Is it in your vehicle? No, it's not. Okay, April, you need to put it in your vehicle.
Okay.
Shovel. Do you have a shovel in your car?
No. What?
If you need to dig yourself out.
Well, this is really cute.
Thanks.
How do you break it down?
Yeah, it's expandable.
Oh.
So you want one of those?
Are you giving me that?
No, this is my kit.
Oh, okay.
But I can help you order one.
Okay, great.
Flashlight, batteries. Good to have.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a hefty one. What about hand warmers and toe warmers? Do you have these in your car?
I think so, but like from when I was in Jersey, which was 10 years ago.
No, that means they don't work anymore. They actually do expire.
A real expiration?
Yes, you have to look. This one expires, oh no.
Ooh, yours have expired.
Okay, all right, these expired, but these are still good. These expire in 2024.
Ooh, these are adhesive. They stick to your feet.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay.
Nice. So make sure you have those. How about the cell phone?
I got that.
Charger, portable one, and this in case
it's at home, but I have
your
it.
vehicle. This triangle is a reflective triangle, kind of works like a flare.
Okay.
If you get stuck, put this out so that people can see your car is there. Like, hey, there's a problem. Heads up.
I want to know about this. Is this for the creepers?
Duct tape?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you can do whatever you want with the duct tape. But the duct tape, no. I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'm just saying. This is always something good to have in case you need to try to duct tape something at the last minute.
Oh, like some of the piping or something inside the car?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect to have. Water, protein bars. Got to make sure you have something to eat and drink. Your jumper cables, extra tools to have just in case in your vehicle. And paper maps and some spare cash are good because GPS might not work if your phone battery dies and if you don't know where you are.
Yeah.
That's a great thing to have.
Okay.
All of this and more can be found on my website, preparewithshare.com. I'm all about helping people with tips for all different types of situations that you might find in life or whatever Mother Nature throws at you. First aid kit, that's one more thing I want to make sure you have in your car.
Well, great, Cheryl. Thank you so much. High five.
How did you score? What do you think?
I have all of it now. Yeah. It's not in the right place, but I have all of it.
You're going to steal mine.
I am, especially this shovel, because I got to dig out of the stuff that I'm giving you right now.
Dig out of the hole you're digging.
Exactly.
Thanks, April.
Sure. Thanks, Cheryl.